Hi guys, so in this video we are gonna learn how we are going to send push notification from Firebase to our Android Flutter app. So we are going to use the Firebase services to send the notification. So we are going to have three methods for sending the notification. One is your device token, which will be send notification to your particular device. Second is your topic method, which is used to send notification to a group. So I will explain in the video. And the third is the your package name. You can send a notification to your package name. Basically it will send notification to all your users. So the video is a bit lengthy because I encountered an error during the subscribing my topic. So I debug in the video. I'm not cutting the video. So I hope if you want to skip that part, you can watch the last 5 to 7 minutes video, which I post. I appended the topic video in the last 5 to 10 minutes that I debug it. So that's why the video is might lengthy. So let's start it. Now I have this starting Flutter project for you. So in this video we are gonna see how we can send push notification only for Android side. Do let me know in comments if you want me to make video for iOS as well. Okay, so let's start. So let's check our package name first. What is the package name? Okay, this is our package name. Now we will create a new project in Firebase. Let's give it a name, push notification tutorial. Okay, let's continue. We don't need Gemini and analytics right now. Let's turn it off. Create project. It will take a little bit of time. So I will not be creating the project via Flutterfire. You can create it, but I'm going to do it manually so like we can understand better. Okay, so let it finish. Okay, it's finished. So we have to add app. We will be doing it for Android only. Okay, so let's paste our package name here. It's optional. Let's register the app. Okay, download that service JSON, Google service JSON. We will require it. Okay, next. Now we will going to follow these steps and we are going to add them one by one. So let's first, yeah, we copy it. We'll go to the project build.gradle. So it has written the project build.gradle, but in our case it will be setting.gradle. Okay, we have added this line. Now we need to add this as well, and it will be on the app module build.gradle. So let's copy this. Let's go to app, then we have this app build.gradle, and we are gonna add it here. We already have com.android.application available here, so we are going to add the Google service plugin here. Okay, so we don't need this one, so you can just skip it. We'll go next and continue to console. So now we have created our Android app. Here you can see Okay, so now we need to add the service JSON as well. So let me add the service JSON as well. So this is the service JSON here. You need to app it in the app. Okay, make sure it is added in the app at this level. Okay, rename it to this service JSON dot Google service dot JSON. Okay, so we are done with the setup. Okay, now we'll go to Dart side code, which is main.dart. So yeah, one more thing, we are going to add the dependencies here. So let me open my terminal. We will require Firebase core and Firebase messaging. So let's edit flutter add Firebase core and Firebase messaging. Okay, let's edit. And one more thing, I am using the latest Flutter version. Let me show you which version I am using right now. So I am using 3.44.1 version. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, it is added. Okay, let's go to main.dart file. So we will be adding the initialization code here. Okay, so let's follow through online this one, and let's open this one. Okay, so we will be going to implement it here. This side is not working. Let's take recent one. So let's check this one. Okay, so we will do this. We're going to initialize the Flutter bindings, then we are going to initialize our Flutter app. Okay, this void main function, let's create a sync type function. We need to import the Firebase code. So now we have initialized the Firebase here. Okay, now we will require, let's see what we required in our site. Okay, let's create okay, let's create another file which will be more, which will provide more better code view, cleaner code for readers. So let's create another dart file. Let's give it Firebase messaging service, Firebase messaging service. Cool. Let's create a class Firebase messaging, MESSAGING messaging service. We are going to use this class. So let's see what we will require. We will require the initialization. Okay, we will require this. Then we will create function void init. Okay, which we will create this function. So we will require this code here. So I will explain later what these two methods are going to do. Okay, so for now let's add it. Okay, and one more thing, we are going to require this as well, Firebase request permission. Okay, so let's add this. So let me check if it is a future method. It is not showing, it's not even okay, I have not provided the dot extension. Let's rename it dot. Yeah, let's import all the files. What is it saying? Must manage the name of the enclosing this. Okay, so instead let's do one thing, let's create one more function, request permission. Okay, underscore Firebase messaging dot request permission. We have requested for permission. Yeah, it is a future type, so we can wait. It will ask for your permission. It will just give you a pop-up for requesting the notification to the user. Let's go to main.dart and let's initialize it on, let's say, home page. Let's initialize it here. Okay, let's initialize it here. We have init method. Let's get a init method here. Init shit. So let me provide the instance here. So let's create final notification service equals to, and what we have this Firebase messaging service. We have added this. We are going to create the instance. Let's import it. So we have provided the instance. So now we are going to create call methods. Okay, notification service dot. First we are going to require this one. We are going to request the permission. Okay, then we are going to call init, which will initialize those methods as well. Okay, so I think we are very much done with the code, right? We have provided the request permission, we have initialized our two methods. So let me tell you what these two methods do. So first is this on message listen method. So this method will be used to create a notification when your app is in foreground. You will be responsible for showing the, you can show an alert to the user whatever you're receiving the title from the notification. Okay, so and this method on message open app dot listen, and this will listen to your taps on the notification. Okay, so let me first run it and let's check it. Yeah, I forgot to tell you one more thing. When I added the Firebase core and Firebase messaging and run the flutter pub get, so this build folder this having error, but you can ignore it. It will not affect your project. so you can just keep it. When you are going to run it, you will receive this existing error in your project, but you can just run anyways. Okay, let's check if first our notification permission will be asked or not. So let's check it first. Let's check if I have to do one other things as well. Yeah, until then it is running. Let me enable one more thing here. So you need to go to the analytics, yeah, here DevOps and engagement messaging. You have to enable the messaging as well. So you have to just create your first project, Firebase notification message. Let's create it. So now you have enabled it. Okay, we will be using this dashboard for testing our notification. Let me show you one more thing as well. Here we have this cloud messaging here. So as you can see, this is enabled for me. Make sure this is enabled for you as well, which is important. Okay, so let's go back to our app. Let's see. You see it asks for the permission. Let's allow it. I have allowed the permission. Okay, now let's check if I send the notification, will it give me a pop-up or not. Let's remove all this stuff from here. Yeah, one more thing, if you send the notification directly, it might take some time. So I have a better option for you. You can test your notification faster, and this will be, you can create a token, a device token. So let me show you how you can create a device token. Wait, let's create get token function. We have created a function. So what this function will do, we will get our device token. Okay, let me show you how you can get the device token. String, let's give token equals to, then we have this Firebase missing dot, you see this get token method. So it is of type future, so we have to wait, we have to add a wait, and it is optional, so this here. And let's print the token. Okay, so let's run it again. Run it again. Then we're going to use this token to send the notification to this particular device only. Okay, so let me rerun it again. Run and run anyways. It is running. Okay, let's see. Okay, I have to call this function. I did not call this function, so let's call this function here itself. Function dot get token. Yeah, I have this token here. Okay, so let's keep the app in the background first. Now we will going to messaging. Let's create your first campaign, unless you create and send message. So let's say test title, test message. Here you can test your notifications, and you can add your device token we have just printed. Add it, and let's see if it's okay. As you can see, we received the notification, right? So I mean, This is the fastest way you can test your notification using the device token. If you send the notification like from this method, okay, let's refresh it. If you see something like that, just refresh it. Now it is not working. Firebase is not working right now. Okay, let's open it in another tab. Let's check it. Firebase console. Let's go to console. This is my project. We go to messaging. Let's create it again. Let's create test notification title. Test messaging. Next, select your app. Next, we do not require any additional params right now, so let's review and publish. So you can send using this as well, but it is comparatively slow. It might take like 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So yeah, if you want to test your notification like printing your device token, then testing it is the fastest way you can test your notification. Okay, there are two more things I want to tell you. So like, one is your device token. You can send your notification to a particular device, right? Second is you can send your notification like from this complete process, right? Third is you can send notification on a specific topic. And what is specific topic I am talking about? Let's say we are going to create few buttons. So let me create few buttons here. Let's create an elevated button. On pressed, I will give it a name. Let's say, when I say topic, so first we have to subscribe those topic. So I will be telling you how you can subscribe those topics, so you will see it. So let's name it as subscribe let's say sports. Okay, let's add a name as subscribe sports. We'll create 4 methods, this one, and this one. So it will be unsubscribe sports, this will be subscribe, let's say politics, and this will be unsubscribe politics. We have created these 4 buttons. So let me create these subscribe methods and show you how you can create it. Let's create subscribe method. Let's create void subscribe topic. I have created this function, so we'll pass a string topic. So this is nothing but a string you are going to pass, okay, and this string will be subscribed. So let me show you how you can subscribe that string you're going to send. Dot subscribe topic, this one, and this topic, and this is also a future method, so we have to await it. Then one more method we are going to create is unsubscribe the topic. Okay, we are going to unsubscribe the topic. So let's unsubscribe the topic. So what will these method will do, let's say let's say you want to send the notification only to users who have who have subscribed the your sports category. So you can send the notification only to those sports users. It will not go to any other topic. So this is one of the like use case you can use in your projects. So let me call this. So we're going to call this notification service method. We are going to do notification service dot subscribe topic, and we are subscribing sports string, right? And here we are subscribing this one, and we are unsubscribing this one. Okay, here it is unsubscribe sports, here it is subscribe to sports. Then here it is subscribing politics, politics. Then here we are unsubscribing the politics. Let me unsubscribe the politics. Okay, let me rerun it again. So I have showed you the token way. Then you can send the notification to all users using filling all the details here. So next one I want to show you the topic way. Okay, first let's rerun it. Sometimes it does cause issues. Okay, let's rerun it. Yeah, run anyways. Okay, when you are going to subscribe the topic, it will automatically be shown in your Firebase. So let me show you. Let's subscribe the sports topic. Okay, now I have clicked the subscribe to. Okay, fail to sync topics, won't retry sync, installing profile for this. Okay, it's showing failed. Topic subscribe failed, not found. Fail to sync topics. Okay, let's check why is it failed, or is Firebase really working right now? Okay, let's see if our topic is subscribed. Let's say test message. So you will see your topics under this here. I guess it is not subscribed. So let me refresh it, or let's reinstall it again. If it's causing issue, let's reinstall it one more time. Let's reinstall it. Okay, now let's rerun it again. Let's allow the permission. Okay, we have allowed the permission. We also have got the token as well. So let me check. If I click on this, okay, let's click on it again. Okay, let's see why is it not subscribing. We go to this and we go to this. Won't retry sync, topic subscribe failed, not found. Okay, let's check why the topic subscription failed. We have this token. Let's see if this working. First we have this token way. First let's check if this is working. Let's test it again. Test notification, send message. So now we have a new token because we have reinstalled the app again. So let's edit, let's send test. Yeah, there is one more thing I want to show you. Here you see, when my app is in foreground, it will go to this method where you need to create or show an dialog to the user. So let me show you where it goes to that. Here, let me show you one more time. Let me send it again. You will see it will be stopped here. You see it came here, message, but we have the data in our message or notification. You see here title and here body notification. So you can, so okay, this is working. And let's see why topic is not working. If I, let's say, subscribe the topic again, and it did not even go to my, let me check it one more time. Let's go to main.dart. Okay, we go to this. Let's see first, this method is even triggered. Okay, this is triggered. Then this goes here. This goes to subscribe topic, which is a string topic, void method, and we are waiting it, which is fine. Okay, let's search the error if we are not able to find it. Error typically in Firebase is when the client app loses its connection to the Firebase server or attempts to subscribe to invalid or non-existent topic. But we are creating the topic, and invalid or expired registration token not found. Error can FCM attempting to subscribe, and also go checks for network issues. Okay, I think we need to add the permissions in the manifest. Let's add the permissions in the manifest. One is notification permission, user permission, not showing. It's okay, we'll search for it. Notification permission and network permission in Android. Okay, it gave the this one, and we're going to use this one. Let's add the post notification permission. Let's add the internet permission. Now let's rebuild it again. Let's create it again, cancel, go to main.dart, run and debug, run anyways. Let's see if this solves our issue. Okay, so we have provided the permission. Now let's see, it still failed. Okay, let's see, failed to sync topic, won't retry sync. Let's say if I subscribe to topic, still showing the same issue. Let's see where we are missing things. We have initialized our Firebase properly because we are not receiving a notification. So let's see what we are missing. Not found error can also occur in FCM attempting to sync pending topics. I think something wrong with the Firebase right now. This should work because if you send too many subscription requests, too many subscribers seeking explanation sessions, so I guess we have to wait a little bit. Let's see if it came. Let's test notification, then we go to next. Let's go to topic. Okay, let's see if we are going to create our own topic first. Next, review, publish. Let's see if we receive the notification on that specific topic. And let's send it to one notification to all user, test all user. This is message. Let's go to next. We will send it to this one here. Next, schedule to now, next. Okay, and review, publish. Let's see if it is working or not. We might have to wait a little bit. App info, notification, permission is enabled. Okay, let me check until if I have made some mistakes. We are initializing the notification here, we are using this here. Let's say if instead of init state, if I just call all of them in the build method, how will it be different? Let's see. Let's reinstall it one more time. Yeah, run anyways. Let's check. Our app is installed. We have provided the permission. We have got the token as well, right? Then let's use the app a little bit. Okay, now let's subscribe to topic. I think there is some issue from the Firebase side right now, but if you have you proceed with the same steps I have shown you here, this should work. If this doesn't work, do let me know in comment so even I can verify it on my end. Why is it not working? So even I can verify as well, because I think right now there is some Firebase issue, because we are unable to even send the notification as well, because since we are receiving it on token, This means our implementation is right, but we are not receiving the notification if we select the package name and if we are targeting our topic as well. So right now I think there is some Firebase issue right now, but if this method doesn't work for you, do let me know in comment, so I will debug it in my end. Let's check one more time. Okay. I guess there is an issue going on with Firebase, otherwise it would have come. But yeah, if you have followed the same way I have using this, this should probably work. Yeah, this is not working, I guess. Let's ask let's see one more time here. 200 topics, what we have not. 2000 topics. This is this. Nothing to work here. Failed to sync topics on debug mode with emulator. Android device working fine. The problem when building APK reproduction when on the same. So this is, he created the local notification. I'm unable to reproduce this issue with the Firebase example, and you subscribe to topic with our example app in release mode. In our end, any fixes for this? I don't know. I feel like Firebase issuing right now, but yeah, I will verify it and at my end as well. But I currently think it is probably related to Firebase because it is unable to resync it. Yeah, I do think we have provided the permission, we have this in it, we have this get token, then we are just calling the subscribe methods, nothing that much. Yeah, I don't think. Yeah, but in this way you can test notification. If I will be testing this again. If I see something weird, I will let you know. Let's do one more thing. Let's try it one more time for sending the notification to all users. All users notification. Next, we are going to send on this package. Next, review and publish. Let's wait a little bit. Okay, we do receive the notification for all users, but there is some issue with the subscribe topic. right? So one token method is worked, one is to like sending the notification to the package name works. Now the third remaining is subscribe to topic and unsubscribe to topic. So let's see if I'm doing it right way, or should we take the help from the AI? Shall we? Okay, let's take the help from the AI. And let me first copy the error. Okay, I am trying to subscribe my topic to Firebase, but I am receiving the error. This help me debug it. Let's see what it gives me. Let's drag it here for now. Let's see what it will give me. It will checking my notification implementation. I found a subscription goal. Next time we're returning Firebase config and plugin setup. I come from the code. Now I am checking the Android based Firebase config and topic naming. Reviewing Android build. Today reviewing everything. Sometimes AI do helps a lot in debugging, but initially I will say do not get too dependent on AI. I mean, if you know exactly how everything is working, I mean, you know every step, like what you wanna do and why is it happening, then you can go and use the AI. But if you are a new to Flutter, or you are implementing a functionality for the first time, I will like suggest you do it on your own, because this will increase your understanding. This is even how I do it as well. So this will improve your understanding of like how the things work. So let's see what it is doing. It is checking things, but most probably our implementation is right, but I think there is some issue with the Firebase right now. So if still doesn't work, but I will check it, and if it work I will add it in the video. Why, if I change something, I will going to add it in the video. But most probably our implementation is right. Okay, is valid topic. I think this is valid topic. We're not sending anything. Is valid topic. It should be a valid topic, otherwise it will give a different error. Why is it taking so much time? Okay, let's see. I found a subscription helper and app initialization can be improved for debugging. I'm patching the service errors. I'm moving initialization out of the build. Okay, you can move the build out of your... Oh, what did it do? Oh, it just updated my code. Let's allow it. Let's see if AI method works or not. We can verify this as well. Let's see what it is going to give me, or is it going to ruin the existing code as well? But yeah, one more thing. In the next video I will be telling you how you can test the rich notification. that is your image notification. Because if you go to the Firebase and if you want to upload the image, you see, you want to upload the image, you need to pay to Blaze plan. Your Blaze plan is your billing plan, so you will not be able to send image notification unless you do it via API. So in the next video we are going to see how we can test our rich notification, and it will be via Jupyter Notebook. Yes, this is just the recent method I found as well, which I want to share, because this will be helpful for you guys as well, because I recently found this good method, so I thought this will be a good way of sharing my knowledge. Okay, I think it is almost done, and what it did, it just waited for the subscription topics. Okay, I think we did not wait for the topics, right? We did not wait for the topics to, but let's see if the AI method works. Let's see. We are done. Okay, we have provided the permission, right? So let's subscribe to topic. It's still giving me the same error. So I think this is the issue with the Firebase right now, most probably, but I will test it, and if I change anything I will post it in the video, right? So for this video we are done with this tutorial, and if you want me to make videos for iOS as well, do let me know in comment, so we can create and debug the issues together using AI and using our knowledge as well. Okay, so I will see you in the next video, and please do subscribe and follow me so you will get the notification of my new videos as well. Okay, bye bye guys. Okay guys, so I tried to debug it, and I just added the async await in these methods. I did not change anything. Okay, I did not change anything. So what I found is, you see, let me show you, like Firebase is playing with us. Let me show you, like it is showing us like topic is not subscribed, but it actually subscribed the topic. I send the notification on that topic, and I do get the notification. Let me show you. I click on the subscribe topic, it's showing me failed to sync topic, but behind the scene it's subscribed my topic. Let me show you. I'm going to create a new campaign, sports notification. This is say sports notification. This is notification title, notification message. Let's say notification message. Next we are going to send it on a topic, sports. Next review, publish. Let's keep it in the background because we want to see the pop-up. Let's wait a little bit, so it will show you the notification for sports topic only. So basically the users which have subscribed this sports topic will be receiving the notification. The users that have subscribed the politics topic, the topic is nothing but a string you are passing, so they will not receive the notification for the sports topic. Okay, so I haven't received it. Let's refresh it. No, it's still on active, not completed. Let's wait a little bit more. Okay, Firebase is literally playing with us. Okay, as you see, I received a notification for the sports topic, and if I unsubscribed it, so the topic will be unsubscribed. And if you send the if a particular user have unsubscribed the topic and you send the notification of sports topic, that user will not receive it because the user have unsubscribed that topic. So these are three ways we can send the notification, and you can, this is how you can target your audience. Like, you can target an individual audience using that token, you can target your like group of audience using that topics, you can target all your audience using your package name. Okay, so this is all from my side right now. So in next video we are going to see more interesting videos. Yeah.